my fellow mathematician. Welcome to this video tutorial whereby we are learning homogeneous equation, and today we are focusing on how to solve this homogeneous equation whereby we are given bracket x minus 2y dx plus 2x plus y dy is equal to 0. So the first step which you do, it is to check whether it is homogeneous. Our m of xy from here is equal to x minus 2y. You can clearly see here that this one is of degree 1. Then you take your n function of xy is equal to 2x plus of degree 1 also. So when you have m divided by n with the homogeneity of 0, clearly it tells you that such an equation is homogeneous. So we are going to write it in form of dy over dx is equal to. So we are going to have here negative bracket x minus 2y divided by 2x plus y. Distributing negative throughout, we are going to have 2y minus x divided by 2x plus y. So you can call this number 1. Then you are going to let our y be equal to vx. You call this 2, and you differentiate to both sides. So dy over dx is equal to, this is implicit differentiation, so you have v plus x dv over dx. You call this equation 3. Now you compare equation 1 and 3. So we are going to have v plus x dv over dx is equal to, in equation 1, where you have y, you substitute with vx. So you are going to have 2 vx minus x divided by 2x plus vx. X is common, it can be factored, so that you'll be left with the 2v minus 1 divided by 2 plus v. I have factored x throughout to be left with this. Then you take v the other side, so you have x dv over dx is equal to 2v minus 1 divided by 2 plus v minus v, which is equal to 2v minus 1 minus 2v minus v squared over v plus 2. Then you have 2v minus 2v, which will cancel, and you are going to be left with, to separate the variables in this equation. Separating the variables, we are going to have v plus 2 into bracket dv divided by we divided by that here minus v squared minus 1, which is equal to dx divided by x. So that is what we obtain after separating the variable. Now we can factor negative outside, and we are going to have negative bracket v plus 2 divided by v squared plus 1 dv is equal to, on the right hand side we can integrate this, or just write here dx over x. Then we introduce integral signs in both sides. On the right hand side, integral of dx over x, this is simple, it is natural logarithm of x plus constant c. So we focus on the left hand side, whereby we are going to have negative v of v squared, that is negative there, plus 1, then minus 2 over v squared plus 1. This is dv dv. Now this part here, it can be integrated by what is called substitution, which I have done in a separate video. So on how to do this, you can kindly check in my YouTube channel, but here I'll give you the result. So this will give you a half natural logarithm of v squared plus 1. This other one will give you 2 tan inverse of v. On how I have come up with this result, you can check in my YouTube channel, which I have already done on how to integrate such questions of this nature. Or maybe already you remember from your calculus 2. But now the result of this one, 2 divided by v squared plus 1 will give you 2 tan inverse of v. So we substitute back our value of v, but remember, we let our y to be equal to vx. From here, our v is equal to y over x. So this will be negative half natural logarithm of y squared over x squared plus 1 minus 2 tan inverse on bracket y over x. This is equal to natural logarithm of x ln of x plus constant c. Now you can decide to leave it at this or you simplify, but even if you leave it at this, it is okay in this format, which can further be simplified if you find it necessary. Thanks so much for learning the homogeneous difference equation with me. For further tutorials, kindly check in my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning together.